Hey guys, what's going on? This is Karol, yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at the ways how to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing, alright? How to generate free traffic, organic traffic in your affiliate marketing business, alright? Now, a lot of people are interested in this. A lot of people are like, okay, I want to just do it kind of like for free, I don't want to spend for ads, I don't want to use ads, and it's completely fine. I find organic traffic really exciting and it's just amazing what you can do with organic traffic, alright? So we're going to look at that. Now, generally speaking, we need to understand first of all what kind of traffic we have, alright? We have two types of them. First of all, it is the paid traffic and free traffic, alright? The paid ones is pretty much ads. Most of the time is ads, okay? You have different ads, you have, pay-per-click, you have all of that other stuff, and that's pretty much the main core of it is to kind of like, generate profit or balance the costs and the profits, alright? So you invest something and you need to generate the same amount plus something extra so you are in profit, right? That's the kind of like the idea of the paid ads or paid traffic, alright? Now, with organic traffic or the free traffic, it's completely different. You're not investing any money into it, so whatever you earn from the free traffic is pure profit, right? So, the most important thing with with free traffic is building a connection, building your audience, alright? And building an online presence or a brand around yourself, right? So I'm going to write it over here. It's online presence, alright, or brand, okay? Now, why is it so important to build a brand or your online presence out there? Why is it so important? Now, we need to understand that we as human beings, we tend to make the buying decisions based on our emotions, alright? We don't necessarily buy things because it's either the best quality or the best choice or the best price or whatever it is, right? We usually buy because we either like the person we're buying from, or we like the actual product or the brand itself, alright? We either know them, like them, or trust them, alright? And that's the relationship we already have with that particular brand or salesperson or whatever it is, right? That's how most of the buying decisions are made, based on our emotions, alright? Just take, for example, you going into a certain pub, okay? You don't necessarily go there because it's the best beer is there, or it's the cheapest one, or whatever it is. You go there because you like the place. Alright, you probably can't tell what exact thing it is that you like about it, but you like the place itself, alright? That's why you usually go there, alright? So, and that's exactly with you and the free traffic. You need to build this online presence around you, build this online brand around yourself, alright? So the people can start liking you, they can start, connecting with you and building a relationship with you, alright? So that's the most important thing with with free traffic. I don't know why I'm always saying paid. So it's all about this. This is pretty much free traffic all about. Now, you might be thinking, all right, Karol, can I actually generate lots of money with just free traffic? Guys, my question was exactly the same when I was starting out, and I can tell you now that I know people who are generating millions, literally millions, only with free traffic, alright? Literally just free traffic, organic traffic, and they are making millions, alright? So it's definitely, you don't need paid ads to be really, in good conditions, alright? So that's pretty much it. Now, how do we actually create this online presence, this brand around ourselves? We go out there and we publish content, right? We publish valuable content, we engage with people, we interact with them, and we literally go out there so that people can actually see us and build the connection with us, right? How do we do that? We go, where else? We go on social media, right? Social media is literally the thing where you go, alright? In 21st century, definitely, and I think it's just going to be more and more towards the next years. All right. So what do? We go on to social media. So I'm just going to write it all over here. So it's going to be Facebook, it's going to be YouTube, it's going to be Instagram, TikTok, all right, Google, right, and so on. Pretty much these are I would say the top 5. So what do you do with all of these things? Now, generally speaking, all of them are a little bit different, all right? You're doing different things, but with all of them, you are going to publish some kind of content, all right? And you're going to engage with these people from over here. So with Facebook, it's all about, or mostly about kind of like messaging with people. It's more on this kind of like a personal level, all right? So you're messaging with people a lot, all right? And that's how you generate these things. You either message with them or speak with them through calls, whatever, when the relationship develops into it. You get into groups, all right? Facebook groups. You can create your own group, your Facebook page or your Facebook group, whatever it is, and slowly you are building this. You're building content. You're creating content, all right? Either in these Facebook groups, all right, or in your own Facebook group, and you just invite people into it and so on. Again, it's all about giving a value to people, and that's how you build that relationship, all right? Now, with YouTube, it's a little bit different. With YouTube, what you do with YouTube is you create videos, all right? You publish videos just like this one, all right? So it's all about videos. Now, with YouTube, you need to kind of like do some kind of like a keyword research, all right? That means you will need to find what are the topics people are searching for on YouTube, all right? And the ones that you can actually rank your video for. Now, I don't want to go into a lot of detail into this. It's you need to learn this, all right? It's nothing difficult, all right? But you need to go into it a little bit more on a deeper level, all right? Now, with Instagram, again, Instagram is more about hashtags, all right? But again, you cannot just post promotional content or promotional posts, all right? People will very quickly see that, okay, this guy is just promoting, I don't want to deal with it. You need to combine it and find like a balance between educational stuff, promotional stuff, obviously, and also personal, okay? You can just post something that you're doing in your free time or whatever, ask them a question and so on. Right? TikTok is really booming these days, alright? It's all about those 15 or 30-second short videos. I'm not sure about it. It's more, you can see faster results, way faster than with YouTube, alright? But YouTube is for long term, okay? The video will stay there for years and it will generate you leads for years. TikTok is literally, you do it now and next day is just forgotten, alright? So you will need to publish daily. With Google, it's all about blogs, alright? Blog posts. Or pretty much websites, all right? But most of the time it's about blogs. So if you like writing, you can do really good with Google and blogs. That's kind of like an evergreen thing. If you don't, I don't recommend starting with blogs, all right? Because you're just not gonna enjoy it, and that's not gonna be very successful, all right? So this is pretty much it. You need to build this kind of online presence, but the most important thing is, guys, with organic traffic, you need to be persistent, all right? So I'm just going to write it over here. You need to be, let me just put it here, persistent, all right? You need to be persistent because consistency is key in organic traffic, and if you're not going to be consistent, nobody's going to notice you, or they are going to forget you very, very quickly, all right? If you're going to post just one post, nobody's going to notice you. But if you're going to post every single day a post for, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 weeks, a month or two, people will start noticing, and people will be like, okay, I see this person posting before, I've seen him posting before, I know this guy, I never seen actually his post, I'm going to look at it now. And that's how you generate this, alright? That's how you develop this online presence. You need to be there every single day. You just need to be in front of the eyes of these people, alright? So, guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got lots of value from it, alright? Listen guys, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, if you want a blueprint how to implement all of this, all right, how to do this, you know, not only this but also what do you do actually with those people that you generate, all right, what do you do with it, how do you actually build an affiliate marketing business that brings you consistent sales, all right, and profits, then I highly encourage you to grab my 4-day video series. It's completely free, you get full access to it, all right, and just consider this as an extension of this video, all right. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, it's in the description below, the first link in the description below, you get full access to it, all right. So if you opt into that, I will see you inside of it. If not, I will see you in next videos. All right guys, so this is it. Thank you again and have a great week ahead. Bye guys.